Hey guys, so it is Marlene of Marked Beauty and Wellness, and today we're just gonna go over the impressed and styled on natural hair. So as you can see, her hair is completely natural. We're doing the blow dry right now, the blow dry press, which gets the hair straight enough for me to be able to style the hair, just go straight into styling with the flat iron. As you've noticed, I'm using my TLH hair care products. I'm just using just a little bit of the TLH oil, which is a master blend. It's a mixture of all three oils that I use in the salon. I use all three oils. This is a little mixture. And I'm pancaking the ends of the hair to make sure that the ends stay moisturized because that's the oldest part of your hair and the weakest part. So we want to make sure that we are staying away from split ends. I'm going to go ahead and comb it through, and I'm going to put a little light shine, comb that through. Now I'm clipping the hair up, and I'm going to get into straight into styling. I don't have to press the hair out after the blow dry press. I'm just going in with the Babyliss C curler, and I'm just going right into curling the hair. Her hair is color treated. She did receive the Keratin Cleanse shampoo as well as the Keratin Cleanse conditioner. I do all her color services. I've actually been styling her hair for 5 years now, and she's been relaxer free ever since she has sat in my chair. So I am very happy and proud about that. As you can see, right now I'm going in with diagonal partings just to give the hair depth and definition in the curl, and just go over the root and then just glide down. I love Babyliss flat irons as well as hot tools, but I'm using Babyliss right now because I like the pleats on the outside of the flat iron. It gives it a really nice curl, and as you can see, the hair is has a beautiful shine to it, and I'm going in the opposite direction. And the comb that I'm using is a carbon comb, so it is heat resistant as well, and it glides right through the hair. There's no snagging or grabbing. And one pass, and that's it. Boom. Beautiful curl. Look at that shine. Natural hair, no relaxer, dare to be chemical free. That's what I tell my clients all the time. So, if you haven't had the chance to experience the difference, please come and check me out. You can go to the website www.markedbeautyandwellness.com, or you can find us on Facebook, Marked Beauty and Wellness. You can find us on Instagram, the same name, and you can find us on Twitter. And you can book your appointments through Google as well. You can book your appointments through our website. You can book your appointments through Instagram or Facebook. Make it as convenient as possible for you, whatever social media that you're into or not. We've got a way for you to book your appointment with no hassle. So just watch out for my elbow there. But as you can see, I'm going back and forth in different directions. The hair has beautiful bounce and shine. Once I use the TLH oil and the shine mist, I pretty much don't have to do any other finishing products to the hair. If you notice, the hair had a really nice shine to it after using the blowout cream. And here is the final result. Beautiful hair. So make sure you check us out, Marked Beauty and Wellness. Thanks.